Today is August 22nd. Here's Jinx, baby. She is doing good. As you can tell, she's running around playing. Come here, Jinx. Sorry, it's a lot of fog out here this morning, and so my camera is fogging up. There we go. Here, Jinx. She's running around. She's doing her little barks. She's trying to play with Mama all the time. Ain't that right, Jinx? Ain't that right? She's very friendly, too. Yeah. You are just a friendly little one. Wake up, Mama. There she is. Yeah. 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 Come here. So big, she can't even look at that. You are so silly. All right. Till next time.